Welcome to Shutterfly How-Tos. Today we're showing you how to use Storyboard View to organize your photo book. Storyboard View is great if you like seeing the big picture first. It gives you a full overview of your book, so it's easy to decide which photos go on each page. There are two ways to access Storyboard View. First, head up to the top menu. Click More, then select Storyboard View. You'll see the photo tray expand to full width. That gives you a larger view of all your photos, and on the right, you can scroll through and see every spread at a glance. The second way gives you a little more control. Click Arrange Pages. Then, manually drag the photo tray to your preferred width. Same result, just a different path. From there, just drag your photos directly onto the pages where you want them. To rearrange spreads, click and drag the move arrow in the center of any spread. If you only want to move a single page, use the move arrow on that page. In this case, I'll break the spread and move that page exactly where I want it. Pretty simple. And that's a quick rundown of Storyboard View in the Shutterfly Photo Book Builder. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Have fun and make something that means something.